So yesterday our lesson centered around voting, and I forgot something important, and I didn't actually present this information my first two classes, but in my afternoon classes I noticed that a lot of people didn't have a understanding of this and of this word. So I should have inserted a vocabulary word, a little bit of vocabulary around my quote voting lesson. So there are two types of polls because no one even knew what a voting poll was. Guys, I need you to pay attention. No one even knew what a voting poll was, and so I should have explained that, and I apologize. So there are two types of polls, actually two different ways you can spell poll, okay? And that is P-O-L-E and P-O-L-L. I put this here so it could give you a visual. So from now on, when you think about poll, you see this long thing. I remember one time when I was a little girl, and we went fishing. I think my mom didn't really want me to have a real fishing pole, so she gave me something like a pole like this. It was like out of bamboo or something. That's probably why I didn't catch any fish. The thing was kind of rigged up. But this is a pole, okay? And this is how you spell pole, P-O-L-E. You also, when you capitalize poll, P-O-L-E, and it's capitalized, that stands for someone who is from Poland, okay? Like we live in Arkansas, and we call people live in Arkansas what? Arkansans. Someone who is from Poland, you call them a Pole, and that's when you capitalize Pole. So they're P-O-L-E lowercase, unless it starts a sentence, is like, you know, like a fishing pole, or a pole like the fireman pole is P-O-L-E, okay? But a person from Poland is also capital P-O-L-E. And then there is P-O-L-L. P-O-L-L has a verb definition as well as a noun definition. The verb poll means to take account, okay? I'm going to poll everyone in here. How many people ate breakfast this morning? 3 people. So so this is my poll. 3 people. How many did not eat breakfast this morning? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's what I just did, was took a poll. Okay, that's the verb. That means to take account. Also, P-O-L-L, the noun meaning of P-O-L-L, means a place where counting occurs, like a voting poll. So yesterday when I was talking about voting, I said, go to the poll. I didn't mean go to a poll, okay?